Okay, so this is a data extractor tool, and what you need to do is here in keywords box, you just need to write the keyword. Let's go with Saloon here. Just write the location. Let's go with Canada for now. And I have already entered the activation key here. That's why it is not asking for activation key right now. Just hit start accepting, and it will extract all the data from the map. And here you can see the keyword is hello, the location is Canada, and the company name, it will give website, phone, and email as well. It will give you all the emails that are listed on Google provided by the owner. And yeah, this is how one by one every second you will get one data from Google Maps. And let's say, and once it is done, this stop extracting button will be disabled. For now we'll just stop this right away, and we'll download this data. As here, as you can see, the data has downloaded now. If I open this, I will see the data in the Excel file. It has everything: company, website, phone, email address, city, pin code, everything. Yeah, this is all about this tool. Thank you.